All right, so let's talk about deploying applications now. So up until now, we've been using the preview button, and we're looking out at test apps zlk2.bubbleapps.io/version-test. Okay, so what this means is that we're looking at the test environment. Okay, in Bubble Apps, there's always two environments: test and live. You could call it staging, production, development, live, multiple names for this. Okay, so if I make a change anywhere, okay, this environment refreshes. That's for us as developers so that we can quickly preview, test, and develop. But if there are live users of the app, that refresh is just no good. Okay, so what do we have to do to deploy our application? It's quite simple. Top right, deploy current version to live, and it's gonna ask what's the message, version 0.1 or some message, and the deployment has been successful. Okay, so let's look at our, if we change the URL, in fact we don't need to add version-live, that works too, but let's just remove version live, and now that is our application running on production. Okay, now we don't see any restaurants, we don't see any menu items. Why is that? The reason being the databases of production and live, or test and live, are different. Okay, how do we see that? If I drop down from here, click live, now I've switched my perspective to live. Okay, and I can't make edits here. Okay, oh, you're viewing the live version, this is read only. You can't just make edits in production, you have to make edits in test and then deploy to live. Okay, if I, all the workflow settings, everything, I'm looking at the live instance right now. Okay, so in the data, in the app data, I don't have any restaurants or users or orders, nothing is in there. If I add a restaurant, okay, some restaurant, then on the live side, this will start, this is now appearing here. Okay, so deploying applications, very straightforward. There's always two versions. One is for us as developers to kind of just test, iterate, and fix things. Once we're happy with our change or feature, we click deploy, and it deploys on the live side. And you have to make sure, just understand that there's two different database versions. Okay, I think that should be it for this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.